Ready when you're ready. Big shout out to Asian Beatz, and this was Spraga P representing sweet Miami. Enough black people there on the scene. It's all beautiful. Give them a shout over there, some people. Yeah, back to the show again. The one on name. This is the song you haven't heard for a long time. Yeah. And this is like your heartbeat pumping to your baseline. Yeah. You can hear it from a mile. It makes you smile, yeah. Absolutely. Go again. Raga say, when God did create man, I wonder who did criticize. When him give him 2 lips and 2 tongues and 2 eyes, I wonder who did recognize and say it was paradise. The worst behind. Yeah, Rastafari. Yeah, so let's go. To this social, my Asian brothers and sisters, hallelujah. This is Raga, nice enough to party. Big up. Aye.
Alright, bra. Asian Beatz.
Big up, I remember, Asian Beatz.